Hi, Suzy Rhoades with PassMasters here for this week's Questions of the Week. This week, our topic is Alternative Investments 2. You can expect this topic to appear on the Series 65 and Series 66 exams. We will be taking a short and sweet 5-question topic quiz from within one of our PassMasters online securities courses. Let's check out our learning management system. Which product attempts to deliver returns that are the opposite of an index? Leveraged ETF, ETF, ETN, or inverse fund? The opposite of, the inverse of. It is an inverse fund. So you choose what you believe is the correct answer. Click check answer. You know you got it right if you get that green check mark. You can click show explanation and you can listen. All of the questions in our courses have audio explanations as well. Leveraged and inverse ETFs should be held long-term in 529 plans by minors or short-term. These are products that are designed to be held short-term only. A life settlement is most commonly done by terminally ill persons. No, those are viatical settlements. Persons age 65 or older who are in average health. I like that. Young people or healthy people. A life settlement is most commonly done by persons age 65 or older who are in average health. All are true regarding structured products except what is false regarding structured products? They are liquid is false. They are illiquid is true. But let's check the others, make sure they're all true. They help to provide diversification to an investor's portfolio. Structured products, sure. They are highly complex products, yes. They are best for buy and hold investors. Yes, they are liquid is the right answer because it is false. So be sure to give the test what it's looking for. In this case, it's looking for the wrong statement or the incorrect statement. Which type of pooled investment attempts to deliver to the investor a multiple of a benchmark? Choices include ETN, leveraged ETF, or inverse fund. It is the leveraged ETF that attempts to deliver to the investor a multiple of a benchmark. Short and sweet questions of the week this week. If you have any questions, just ask me in the comments below. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel if you're not a subscriber already, and turn those post notifications on. If you'd like to check out PassMasters course offerings, there's a link in this video's description. You can also enroll in any of our courses. Keep up the good work. Thank you so much for watching. Happy studies.
You got this.